Flexing our Madison model here in Ridgecrest, Molino, Bacoor. Outside the subdivision are McDonald's, Shuttles Best, and SM Molino, all walking distance lang. This is almost across the Anghari, near Ibiya at Bilyarland. May UP na din palang gagawin doon, and this area will be developed as the next BGC. Madison is a three-story single house. Lot area is 80 to 110 square meters. Floor area naman is 105 square meters. It has 4 to 5 bedrooms na kasya ang buong pamilya and 3 toilet and bath on each floor for your convenience. Ganito ang ating magiging turnover. Package starts at 5.9 million pesos, all in na hulugan pa. Price includes renovation, transfer title, and bank charges kaya wala ka nang iintindihin pa. Down payment is at 15%, nahulugan pa for 15 months. Wow, that's only 1% per month lang ha. And para sa mga nagmamadaling makalipat, just pay the 15% spot down and we will process the bank and the renovation right away. We also have deferred payment, 0 interest for 24 months. Napakaganda ng location ng subdivision kasi paglabas mo, maski mag-commute ka, 1 jeep lang to Baclaran, Las Piñas, and Alabang. Tara, akyat tayo sa itaas. Madison model has a unique layout na ay 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a mini balcony. This is bedroom number 1. You can put in here some single bed, cabinets, and study table. Very high ceiling, spacious ang room, and big windows kaya hindi ka feeling cramped. We have toilet and bath na nasa second floor na naka-jack and jill, so lahat ng room ay may access. Also have mini balcony na nakakonect sa master's bedroom na you can extend pa. Siya nga pala, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, I'm Sheila Beronilla, your friendly real estate broker. My vlog is all about buying and selling of real property investment and anything in between. Kaya kung gusto mo ng ganitong content, please follow kung ikaw ay nanonood sa Facebook and subscribe kung ikaw naman ay nanonood sa YouTube. Thank you! So for viewing and inquiries and for faster transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Beronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078. Tara, akyat tayo sa third floor. Very spacious sa third floor. Pwedeng pang family entertainment, office, at pwedeng ding extra bedrooms. Yung isa kong client, ginawa itong 2 bedrooms. So once again, installment ang ating down payment for as low as 15% and yung 85% na remaining balance is through bank loan. Do not worry sa pagpaprocess dahil simula ng investment mo. This is 100% flood-free community at napakaganda ng location ng bahay na ito dahil nasa elevated na area. For viewing and inquiries and for faster transactions, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Beronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!